Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare home health benefits, coverage guide step by step clearly. To activate Medicare home health benefits, start by verifying your eligibility. You must be enrolled in Medicare Part A and or Part B. Next, determine if you meet the requirements for home health services. You should be under the care of a doctor and have a qualifying medical condition. Your doctor must prescribe home health care, indicating the need for skilled services. Contact your doctor's office to obtain a home health care plan. This plan should include the types of services required and the duration. Once you have the plan, find a Medicare certified home health agency. You can use the Medicare website or call 1-800-Medicare for assistance. After selecting an agency, schedule an evaluation visit. During this visit, the agency will assess your needs and develop a personalized care plan. Review the care plan with your healthcare team to ensure it aligns with your doctor's orders. Once approved, services should begin as outlined in the care plan. Keep documents and records of your healthcare visits and services received. If you encounter any issues, contact your Medicare plan or the home health agency for resolution. It's essential to stay informed about your rights and protections under Medicare guidelines. Regularly communicate with your doctor and home health agency regarding your care needs. This will help you manage your treatment effectively and ensure continuity of care. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.